anything over there?
57 uniform is 2,500. Descending to 2,000.
Yeah, right. Weather observation 1325 Zulu weather. Wind 240 at 10. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 28 Celsius.
Looking all the way down through here, and there's nothing over here.
Right. Okay. Well, that is different then. So most of the stuff will be done before taxiing then.
Actually, yeah, and it's not all that much different. There's a few extra things. And let's bend this over here.
Yep, that's what I usually do. I don't know why I stopped there. So we can see the approach path.
Yeah. I think there's that by wings up here because he doesn't have a radio.
Seatbelts are on. Windows closed.
Yeah. A lot of people don't have radios.
I noticed that, especially these homemade ones.
Some of those old boys, even if they got them, they don't use them.
That's not very safe if you ask me. See anything?
Nope, I guess we're going to go out to pattern altitude 1,700 feet straight.
Practice area?
Yeah, and then level out and then head west.
Okay. Hendricks County traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo is taking off runway 18. We're planning a west departure, Hendricks County.
Go ahead and center the engine and just glance at the oil pressure and make sure this is
airspeed comes alive.
Yep. We don't see those things. We need to port. Let's go.
All right. Right. It's a quick one, right? figure out what was going on. I just pulled the fuse on it.
All right, so we're headed over there. Let's put it in altitude here and go up too.
Okay. What do you want?
Well, you're going to have to dial it in, aren't you?
Yeah.
So let's dial up 3,000. Okay, they're going to push BS.
Yeah, vertical speed. And then we can do nose up, 500. And then we need to increase power.
Kind of keep it out of the white if you can.
Gotcha.
Well, I think it's this airplane to 3,000 hours.
We have the propeller to already be cycle the magnetos, make sure your mixture rich is full, both tanks, make sure your backup field didn't come out. Same time, I'm going to be looking for a field, hopefully a runway if we're that high up that I can find a runway to land on. If the engine doesn't restart, then I'm going to head immediately toward the field. Best glide speed is 68. First thing I would do is best glide speed 68.
Okay. Let's turn right anyway.
Okay. Clear out there? A little hazy, isn't it?
In fact, let's just make a right hand turn heading north.
All the way north? Okay. Sit by the engine. If you're not enough of a descent to get the fire out, you want to dive the plane to a sufficient altitude and sell an incombustible mixture of 3 miles. And it would be a Putnam County.
All right, sounds good to me. Now, let's get to 70. Bring the nose up. And here's the thing that my examiner's talking to me.
Mm-hmm.
Bring it up to 70. Go ahead and do that. And then take that power out.
Oh, you want the power out?
We get the engine out, right?
Yeah.
And now trim it all the way up. And start going down at 70. That doing anything, get the best glide speed, and then it increases on you while you're doing everything else, see?
Right.
So let's see you make a field now, and I want you to pick a field that'll get us into the wind.
Oh, okay. Well,
All right. We established that, right?
go right over here.
Okay. This gives you more time, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. The glide speed. This will.
It's trimmed all the way up pretty much, and it's easier. Get power out of it.
It is. I pulled some more out, actually. Is that not enough out? There you go. Okay.
It wants working, I think. On you. I'll clear it once in a while.
Yeah, that's the other thing. And I'm actually going to start losing altitude. I'm going to be too high coming around there. I think. But that big round patch over there, it looks fairly plowed.
Okay. We'll be turning with the wind then, huh?
Yeah, we're going to be turning with the wind, so I'm going to have to turn early.
Tell your passengers to keep quiet.
Yeah, be quiet. I think I'll actually take this nice green part right here.
Oh, okay.
I went with the flaps in, so I'm sure to landing. Unlatch the doors before touchdown.
All right.
Make sure all the fuel's cut off. And I can slip this.
All right, get the flaps in now. I see you got it, babe. I want to see her go around when I call for it. Okay. All right, you got it, babe. And let's go around. Get her climbing before we take those off.
All right.
We're giving up lift when we did that.
Right, true.
Okay, continue climbing. It's just like you went around on the runway, let's say. Okay, so you want to get that nose up and rising. Get it climbing at 75 and transitioning back to takeoff.
turning final, runway 18, touch and go, Hendricks County. Right there, a little bit too early.
Traffic on 2520 Bravo is 8 miles to the north of the entering midfield crosswind 23.
Okay, they can float longer, can't you?
Yeah.
They're on into the wind.
Got my flaps?
Flaps are up. Trim to take off. Let's do crosswind take off. Come in a little higher next time. You got a great big damn long runway here. If that wouldn't let it go of, you'd have been on the grass.
Hendricks County, 5% is turning 3-mile final for 18, Hendricks County.
Hendricks County traffic, Scott 678, Romeo Bravo is off of 18, Hendricks County. Do you want to run out a little bit and let him get in? Or do you want to go ahead and go into the pattern?
No, we're staying fast.
Okay.
You got no issue. 8-9 is faster. You'll be in.
Gotcha.
We're good as that. All straight down there somewhere beyond the 80. Okay, now you're doing battle with the wind. Who's going to win? Going to be Joe or is it going to be? We're going to make a nice crosswind landing. We'll just take for a while. And as we full stall, about the time we're in the flare, you ought to be touching on this wheel over here. Fly right out of it. For a while. Get rid of that speed. Float it here. Getting low. We don't want to land it. Hold it off.
You don't want to land?
No. You want to let it land. Hold it off. Now, about now, it should be touching on the right main.
It looks like we're too high.
Don't make it. All right. There it is. It's just about there. Now, right it.
Oh, okay.
Run in the wind. There you go. Okay, you're flying it on that wheel here.
Tis none of them.
Wheel touches down. You haven't landed. You're still flying. No, that was over there now. All right, that's 2.
That a little bit better?
A little bit better, but I assisted. I don't want to have to assist.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got the airplane.
Your airplane?
You've got the airplane.
My airplane.
Where are we going?
Right down here.
Okay, you got the airplane.
Yeah, I'm not turning around. Saw too many videos. Left short base, left short final, runway 18, full stop, Hendricks County.
Get the power in there. Let's be a little high, okay. Let's bring that wind. Pull that cartridge. Get rid of that speed in the float. On the right side of it. Good speed, take off the power now. And let's, you don't have to land it. Round out right up here. All out on that power. Give her
I am out.
All right, no, ride it out. Don't land this airplane. I don't want to do it. Now, pull that nose off. There you go. That's a perfect land.